Hello everyone, this is Emily. So today I wanted to do a fall makeup tutorial, and as you can see I'm wearing my new wigs. So I've also given a review of this, so I'll put the link in the description box, so do check that video also. And yeah, so before starting this video I wanted to tell you, please do subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe guys. I need your support. Please, if you like this video, please do like this video, and also do comment down below about what you have learned, or if there's something wrong, and also what were your views of this entire video. So if you are interested in how I achieved this amazing look, please keep watching. Let's start the tutorial with clipping the hairs first of all. So let's do that. Okay, I'll do that. My spectacles for this, because I literally can't see anything. I have -5 powers. So you guys, so first I'm going to do is I'm going to use these two clips basically, and I'm just going to remove all the hair that's there from my face, and I'm just going to clip it sidewise. Okay. And also one more thing is that as you've seen that I'm wearing this wig with my natural hair, so I recommend you to buy some wig cap before applying your wig, because your hair might be fragile and you might lose all of your hair because of that. So I cannot afford it right now, so that's why I'm not wearing it, but I highly recommend this so that your actual hair remains safe and it's not like you've lost so much of hair because of that. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is apply Lotus sunscreen. That's one thing. Although there are like less, the sun is shining less, but you really need to apply it no matter what, because you know. Okay. Oh, get off. So applying Vaseline, like you can get it in any drugstore near you, and I recommend Vaseline over Bourlene, because you know, Bourlene has literally darkened all my lip places, so that's why I'm applying this, and also a little bit on my eyelid, because it's literally keeps your eyelid moisturized. So yeah, this is also one of the things that my elder sister taught me, so shout out to you. And she also has a YouTube channel, so please visit her YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box as well. So after having all this done, I'm going to be using, it's so hot. I'm literally trying hard to keep up with this wig. Okay, so after finally trying to use this, I always use Fit Me foundation, but lately I've realized that this shade that I'm using is like a hell lot lighter than my skin tone, so I don't know, I don't have any alternatives for now, but I really want to use Fenty Beauty's foundation. So like, they have so many range, and it's so inspiring to see the Fendi X Savage on Amazon Prime. It's literally nice, and the way they promoted plus size models is like next level, and the whole show was next level. Like, Rihanna, I love you so much. So I also want to do a Rihanna makeup inspired makeup look, so I'll do as quick as possible. step, I'm going to apply loose powder. So I'm going to apply lacquer loose powder for the baking part. I'm going to move on to my eyes. After blending it, I'm going to take a little bit more of the light brown shade. I'm going to apply it here. Try to blend it while you're applying it. I'm just going to apply a normal color, like simple rose gold will do like that. So I'm just going to dab and I'm going to apply it. So guys, I can't do my eyeliner right in like the front of the camera, so I'm just going to use like my eyeliner. I'm just going to come in 1 to 3 minutes. Woo! Done. So I always apply my eyeliner, like always thinner, like in while I'm doing like this side, and a bit more thicker like the outside, so that my eyes look real big. So that's why if your eyes are bigger than mine, so you can just apply a perfect thick thin ratio line as you feel. Applying mascara now. This is from Maybelline mascara. This is a Maybelline mascara, so I'm gonna apply this. This is my all-time favorite. So eyelashes and just going like this, so that it looks really shiny. This. Sorry if like, the footage gets blurred in the middle because I literally can't see. I'm being honest, like brutally being honest, because it's like -5, -5.5. So since this is done, I'm going to go and apply a little bit of light brown under my eyes. And a little bit like white on the corner of the eyes. I'm going to like remove all eye powder. Guys, I didn't see, I didn't recognize, I didn't like see until now. Okay, so now I'm going to just remove all the powders. So take Coco Command. I'm just going to apply on my lips. So before applying, I already have used Vaseline, so to protect my lips. So yeah. Master Pro highlighter. This is the best ever possible. So I'm just going to apply this. Always smile and then apply. It's going to literally have a good, like, it's easier. Okay, if you have not controlled and just followed all my steps, you can apply bronzer if you want to, but since I'm not having bronzer, I will not apply right now. So, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of Vaseline to make it look a little bit shiny and not matty, because it's so hot still, and you know, yes, I prefer it a bit glossy this time. So applying with my hands, fingers. Video, so I hope you guys like it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Please to support me, guys. And also, if you like this video and if this video inspires you, please share this video with your friends and your family and everyone. So I hope you guys like it. This is RUDRA, that fat girl. Bye.